Good morning everyone. So this is the next day and we are going on a trekking. We'll be do birding and we'll collect some data. So that's what we are gonna do today.
And one request for you all, before you come here, please bring lead skirt, camera and binocular.
That's very important. Sanchali,
some notes too.
Show the binocular. So if you are studying environmental biology and wildlife science, this is the most thing you need in this course.
Take head hornbill, red hornbill, frontal pied hornbill, and the first leg hornbill. So first leg hornbill जो just altitude of 800 feet से दिखता है. तो जो भी birding यहाँ करना है तो बहुत species है. एक low level ये just adjacent to हम लोग असम boundary जो बोलते हैं. यहाँ कुछ birds असम का दिखता है, कुछ कश्मीर area का दिखता है.
Hello guys, so we are walking or trekking for some time and now we are here. I'm gonna show you the scenery. Birding is so amazing. You got to know which bird is what their feeding behavior, what their behaviors, other behaviors. It's amazing. Yeah, the subject we are studying is so big. There's so much to explore in this subject.
आगे नहीं बढ़ना, पीछे ऐसे.
अच्छा.
पीछे घूमना है ना?
दिखाई देने से आगे नहीं जाना.
वो लोग डायरेक्टली नोट जाएगा, नोट का शेर को मतलब ऐसे करेगा माथा को ना. इसलिए मतलब आगे नहीं बढ़ना.
वो तो इधर में पकड़ता है.
हाँ, कभी भी दिखाई देगा एक लकड़ी उकड़ी लेके माथा को रही है, अपना शेर को ऊपर से करके पीछे जाना है ना.
You wanna say something?
I don't want to say anything now. I'll tell later. I'm tired a little bit.
So everyone is tired a little bit.
We have come approximately 5 kilometers now. 5, 10.
7.
7 no? Almost 7
And I'm the
kilometers.
photographer.
This is photographer.
Professional.
My best friend.
Please pay me 5,000
I
per
don't
picture.
know how this blood came out from my hand, and I have been stuck by some kind of thorns from these trees.
Hello, hello.
I'm Anshuman.
As you know,
I have started
the troublemaker.
Hi.
Baby, I'm a troublemaker.
Sanchali.
You are very, very Sanchali.
Oh, we have seen elephant no? Minas? What elephant? Tusker elephant. Excited to see
Tusker
elephant.
elephant. As you can see, the size is very small, but this is, I mean, we are very lucky that we got to see. Not everyone can see a Tusker elephant in a jungle. So that's
Hey
it.
Minnie, what are you doing on?
Hey, hi. So we are here for a field study and we are doing something. The main technique is point centered quarter, and I'm not gonna explain you what is point centered quarter. You can just Google it. But we are having fun here. We are also doing some studying things. So that's it.
That's it. Thank you. And what is this? What are you doing on this?
Oh yeah, this is a GPS tracker. So we basically what we do is we point the places where we are right now. Like for example, we have to take some random distances from a certain point, and the random distances where we have to stay, we just point it in this gadget.
Yeah, thank you.
So guys, as you have seen, we watched many birds, we identified them, and we are very new in this process. We are still learning, and now we are returning to our dorm. These are my friends, Anshu, Partho, and this one is Kuldeep. Please watch Kuldeep's vlog too. He is a YouTuber.
Subscribe.
And
What is this?
Sit. Badam.
you know, these people are still studying, still identifying. Badam, ami kacha badam, Sanchali. So this is it for today. Now we will be having our breakfast, and we are so hungry right now. Let's go and eat something. See you later. Bye bye.